Campaigning peaks in Manipur. Top leaders stand firmly behind their party candidates as battle lines are drawn for the parliamentary elections. From Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh to NPP National President and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, none is leaving any stone unturned to ensure a good show for their candidates in the state. The two alliance partners in Manipur, BJP and NPP, are engaged in a pole battle in the outer constituency, making it an interesting contest with the main opposition party Congress in the fray. In a show of strength by the BJP, the party's supporters swarmed the streets in Outer Manipur parliamentary seat, showcasing from the front by Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. Intensifying the campaign for party candidate H. Shokopao Mate, Biren Singh said the huge turnout was an indication of a BJP victory.
Sir, how you see, sir? You were just saying this is a small town, sir, but large number of crowds, sir. Are you confident enough that your candidate is winning?
No, exactly. It is the outer constituency. We are flag hoisting for the candidate Benjamin Mate today, and you have seen the crowd, and all the happiness is all the communities, including Nagas, Meiteis, Muslims, whoever are present here, and we firmly believe that people will vote for the BJP and will definitely want in the election.
Targeted by the Congress for allegedly imposing its colonial rule in the state, the Manipur Chief Minister said the voters will answer the Congress with their ballot.
Colonial rule is by Congress or by BJP. People have understand now. People are now happy with BJP. More democratic, more secular, no division between the communities. So I think they are confusing now. These Congress people are confusing now.
The Manipur Chief Minister's reaction comes a day after Manipur Congress President Gai Khanam had said that the upcoming election was a second battle for independence for the party.
Fight on the issues, not on the number of these things, MLA, and I thought Congress will definitely win both the seats. We'll retain both the seats. People are against BJP. We have lost all these individual citizens' rights, because as if we are in another pre-independence time. So this fight will be the second independence fight.
Meanwhile, away from the Congress-BJP war of words, another party was silently trying to make inroads in the outer Manipur constituency. The Conrad Sangma-led NPP, which is contesting only one seat in Manipur, is making all efforts to woo maximum voters. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma led the charge for his party as he campaigned for Thangminlian Kipken in Churachandpur. The NPP got a shot in its arm after former Outer Manipur MP and BJP leader Kim Gangte joined the party after she was denied ticket. While observers predict a two-cornered contest in the constituency, the role the NPP plays may well decide the fates of the candidate.